Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to import products from different websites to your store. First, open your Shopify account and go to Settings. Here, simply go to Apps and Sales. Now click on Shopify App Store. Wait for it to load up. And here, search for Robo. It is the app that will do the work for you. This, simply click on Install. Wait for it to load up. There you go. Click on Install again. After you installed it, click on Get Extension here. You can simply add it to Chrome by clicking that and add extension. As you can see, it is added to my Chrome. Now to pin it, click on this extension. And then click on the pin button. Now search for any e-commerce website, for example, Amazon. Here, choose any product that you want to import. For example, this one. I want to import a PC or tablet. Now click on the shortcut and add to Shopify. Just wait for it to load up. And here you go, this is the product. Now all you have to do is add basic info, description, or just edit it. You can input the price here, for example, $19. There you go. Now you can input the product link here and click on import. And that's basically it.